Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Caravan World. So before I jump in, you know what you need to do. Today I'm going to show you through another Toyota Coaster fit out. This one here has a few different variations, some additional spec. Very cool fit out, so come on, let's go in and take a look. Welcome inside. As we're in here today, we got the Dometic Fresh Jets Series 7 running on the roof through the inverter. Just try and cool this cab down a bit. But as you can see, beautiful fit out inside. So really nice large bed at the back with these little pockets for storage, as well as like a little bench top for coffee mug, phone, whatever you might want to put there. Reading lights, USB cigarettes, and obviously your two breakers out the back there. Just in front of me here, we have this very cool table that can basically move around in all directions. So it can actually come over the bench as well. But basically just slide in there. The customers will sit down, have their dinner, brekkie, whatever it might be. The beauty of this leg is it actually slides out, so when it's not in use, you can actually pull it out, throw it on the bed, and it's fully out of your way. Over on my left-hand side here, we've got a 12-volt, 240-volt TV with all your inverter switch panel, battery monitor, and very, very nice clean bench top here in the Arabescato. So as you can see, heaps of storage, beautiful LED lighting under the kitchen overheads. So plenty of storage, both combination of drawers and cabinets. So awesome interior on this one. All right, now let's go check out the rest of the vehicle. Over on my left-hand side, we've got some wire storage I'll pull out for you shortly. A big Bushman 190-litre fridge, microwave. And then on my left-hand side here is a toilet shower combo with the Thetford cassette. So very, very cool. Another little design feature that we've added into this one is a little fold-up bench top. So it doesn't look like much, but it's just a little addition to the rest of the kitchen. So handy for anything after you wash up. Just throw it on the side there, it's out of the way, you don't have to worry about it. Let's go take a look outside. So as we continue through, we've got a power outlet on this side, a very nice prep space over here. So bit of bench top as well as additional prep space. So you just throw your meat on there with additional drawers with just finger pulls over on this side as well. So you get lots and lots of storage in there. Just pushes back in. If you are concerned about the weight, we do have a little screw-on leg that can go underneath, but these are quite durable drawer slides, so very, very good product. Simply just slides back into the vehicle, and you'll hear that little click, so very, very cool. Continuing around this side, we've got additional storage underneath the bed. We've got our power outlet, gas storage, hot water system, our mains inlet, water filler, and our grey discharge there as well. So just connect up a hose, throw it into the campsite and discharge all your water. That's everything on the outside. Up on top of the roof here, we got 3 200-watt solar panels, the Fresh Jet air conditioner, and also a Fiamma F45 with custom-made brackets. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that vehicle walkthrough. We love doing these coasters. So if you have one, you're thinking of doing one, or you want to just ask a few questions, feel free to reach out to Oz Caravan World. We can talk you through what potential layout might be, costing, and hopefully we can work together on a project. So thanks so much for your time. Enjoy your day.